Good day, my viewers all over the world. The last class I was talking about simultaneous equation. I told us there are two methods you could go about solving simultaneous equation. I've taught us the substitutional method. Today I will talk about the eliminational method. Eliminational method. Method. That one is very fast. So in this one, let's say I have x plus y is equal to 4x minus y is equal to 2. That was the equation I gave us there. So you want to solve for x and y. In elimination method, just compare the coefficients. How do I do that? Whatever is the coefficient of this one, we come down. Whatever is the coefficient of this one, we go up. So what's the coefficient of this one? Is 1. Coefficient of this one is 1. If you multiply, you are still going to get the same thing. So we're going to have x multiplied through by 1. This 1 times x, x. 1 times y, this is plus y. 1 times 4 is still 4. 1 times x, x. 1 times minus y, this is minus y, is equal to 1 times 2, 2. So then you now subtract. What is x minus x? Sorry, you now add the two together. This x plus x. That is 2x. This is plus y, which is plus 1. Plus 1 plus minus 1. This is plus 1 plus, that's the sign you are using, then minus 1. So this is, always use your brackets. Always use your brackets. This is now plus 1, plus times minus, minus 1. That is what? Is 0. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. So this one has been eliminated. That's the meaning of the word. You are going to eliminate 1. 1 will remain. It's equal to 4 plus 2. So that is 6. So we have 4 plus 2, that's 6. So you now have x to be equals to 3. So how do I determine y? Just put x in, let's say this is equation 1. From equation 1, you have x plus y is equal to 4. I've gotten x to be equal to 3. Then I will have 3 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 1. Very fast. So fast. So let's say I have a coefficient that is more than 1. So the elimination method is always faster or better when you have coefficients that is more than 1. Let's say I have 2x minus y equals to 6. Then I have x minus 3y is equal to 12. If you look at this now, the coefficient of this one is 2. The coefficient of this one is 1. If you want to cross multiply, like I told you, in the elimination method, the coefficient of x will come down. It's either you use the coefficient of x or use the coefficient of y. So here we are using the coefficient of x. So if I'm using the coefficient of x, what's the coefficient of x in equation 1? This is equation 1. Equation 2. In equation 1, the coefficient of x is 2. So it will climb down. This is 2. The coefficient of x in equation 2 will climb up. So which is 1. So you now use it to multiply through. So if you use it to multiply through, we have 1 times 2x. I have 2x minus y is equal to 1 times 6. 6. Then you have 2 times 2, this is 2x, 2 times minus 3. This is minus 3y, minus 6y rather. Minus 6y is equal to 2 times 12, which is 24. So if you now look at it, I've leveled up the coefficients of equation 3 and equation 4, because this is equation 3, this is equation 4. So I've leveled up the coefficient of x in equation 3 and equation 4. And the purpose of this is for one to eliminate. So you now go further and say, okay, let me subtract 2x minus 2. Or say 2 minus 2. Because this is plus, we have already, by the time you add 6, still subtract them. You are using minus sign. So 2 minus 2 will give me 0. So here I will have minus, what's the question of y? Is 1. So I have minus 1. What sign am I using? Minus. Minus, what do you have here? Minus 6. You'll be using their coefficients to do the addition or subtraction. Like here now, I can eliminate this. I can only eliminate this by subtraction. So that's why I say, no, this is plus 2. Plus 2. What sign of elimination am I using? Minus. Minus. What do you have here? Plus 2. So this is plus 2. Minus times plus. Minus 2. plus 2 minus 2. I have 2 naira and owe you 2 naira. By the time I set off the debt, I have what? Nothing left. That's why you have this one to be 0. So let's go back to this. That's why you got this one to be 0. So for this one now, we have minus 1. The sign of elimination I'm using is minus. Minus, what do you have here? Minus 6. So I will now have minus 1. Minus times minus. I said always learn how to use your brackets so that you don't make mistakes. Minus times minus is what? Plus 6. So minus 1 plus 6 is equal to what? Plus 5. So I have 5y is equal to 6 minus. This is plus 6 plus 6. The sign of elimination I'm using is what? Minus. Plus 6 minus, what do you have here? Plus 24. So if we expand, we have plus 6 minus times plus is minus 24. So you have plus 6 minus 24. That is what? Minus 18. Minus 18. I have 6 naira. I'm owing 24 naira. So if I pay the 6 naira that I have, I'll be left with minus 18. So I still have 18. So we have y to be equal to minus 18 all over 5. So we now have that to go 3 minus 3 whole number 3 over 5. So you can just put this one in equation 1 or equation 2 or equation 3 to get your x. So it's as simple as that. Even if you are given a fraction simultaneous equation, you first simplify it for it to be linear. Once it's linear, you can go ahead and apply either substitutional method or the elimination method. But elimination method is very fast. You're already at the end of the equation. Thank you very much for watching. I remain Sadumaj. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. The channel is becoming uh big. It's becoming bigger. I want to subscribe if you have not done so. If you are just watching and you're not subscribing, you're not doing us any good. So I'm begging you, I'm appealing to you that you should try and subscribe to the channel. Very soon you're going to be watching us on the national television. Tell others the program is the pivot. Thank you very much. God bless you. Share to others. Even let your enemy enjoy this mathematics. God bless you.